Alright, I don't know how many people have ever seen an alcohol stove work, so I thought I'd put a little bit of alcohol into denatured alcohol in this one and get it fired up so we can see how you do this. So first of all, you got to get into the can, and I should have opened this up before. Put some denatured alcohol. And open up the back. Without spilling it all over the place. You just did. Alright. Get it closed back up again. This has to be nice and tight so it gets a good seal. Okay, so that's where you fill it up. Back here is where you pump it. You're going to make sure this is closed, make sure this is closed. Pump it up 15 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then open up the chamber, and you should see fuel's coming down now. And you're going to want it to fill that up about quarter to halfway. So it is. Close it. Get your matches out. Comes the tricky part, starting this without getting burnt. Didn't make it. Try it one more time here. Oh, there it is. It started. So now you gotta sit here and wait until this catches and all that fuel that's in the bottom of the chamber there burns off, and that will heat up the rest of the stove. Alright, so now you're going to open the chamber back up. You should hear a hissing sound of the gas coming up. Here you go. There it is. All started. So that's all it is to start up a alcohol stove. I'll let it run here for a minute to show you running, and then it'll run for as long as you want. There was a big kick back, I guess, in the 70s and 80s to replace all the alcohol stoves and these old boats and replace them with propane, and we all know what ended up with that. Lots of boats blowing up out there because the propane is heavier than oxygen, settles in the bilge of your boat, you light a match or some other kind of electrical spark, and the boat blows up. So that's really all is to it. And turn it off. Alright, that's all you have to do for an alcohol stove. Really nothing to it, and it's very safe and efficient to use on a sailboat. Alright, bye-bye.